So Moist Chronicle did this imposter tier list. So I decided I want to do it too. But instead of doing YouTubers, I'm gonna do my friends. So this is not like how good people are in Among Us. It's just when they're imposters. So starting with Shatir. So he's really, I don't know, he's really fast and I don't like him. So yeah, he just goes for the kills and acts really, really innocent. I'd say yeah. I'd say I'd say S. Yeah, S tier. He he could be caught, but there's no 100% telling. Unless it's like an accident or something. I don't think he gets caught easily. Okay, so Harry. Harry is fairly new to the game, but he's pretty annoying. Him being new to the game is his wild card. No one suspects him, and he usually gets away with saying I don't know what's going on और मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं कहाँ था and shit. And that's why it's really difficult to catch his lies. So that makes him a really good imposter. Like I can kick him out for no reason. I can kick him out for being clueless, but that's still not I'm not 100% sure that he's imposter ever out of his lies. So I'd say he's a pretty good liar. Okay, which is no question, smart, and I don't like him. So actually, I'd just put him here. And yeah, he's a pretty good liar too. He just pretends. Yeah, I think he's gonna be in A just because he tries to defend his teammate imposter always, and if his teammate is stupid and gets caught, though he gets caught too. Otherwise, he would be an S tier. So Massive is just shit. Just kidding. Massive is really good at lying, but yeah, Massive is good at lying, but he doesn't understand the game, so he just rushes through the kills or just gets called out right at the start of the game. Okay, yeah, he's dumb. Yeah, he's dumb. Emo is straight up not even joking. The shittiest imposter ever. Okay. Yeah, he's not good. Gaurav is a cheater, so he's gonna be here actually. Yeah, I'll give Emo C. So, okay, so Patel. I don't know where to put him actually. Um, he has won some countless times, but he self-reports a lot, which is a dead giveaway, and he doesn't like he can't get his point across. He just keeps yelling. Yeah, that's the only reason I'd not put him in B. Like he can't get his points across. Yeah, actually this would be better than Harry. So I don't know. Like Harry's pretty. Yeah. Okay. Ayush is good. Okay, Ayush is better than Harry, I'd say. Yeah. Ayush rushes through the kills, acts clueless, or has alibis most of the time, and also has reasons ready, what task he was doing and shit. So yeah, he's a good killer, but yeah, he doesn't talk much when he's a killer, which is also same with Dwidge, I think. Yeah, okay, Phantom is gonna be better than Patel, but and Emo actually. He can be here. So Patel and Phantom most of the time have the same problem, which is they self-report the bodies a lot. But since Soham doesn't scream a lot, his points get across pretty quickly, and people tend to believe him. Okay, so uh, uh, oops. Okay, so I'm putting him in C just because he gives up too easily. Like so many times he was not even the imposter, and I just said that so I'm killed him, and he just said okay, fuck it, and accepted it. So that's why I'm putting him down there. So I guess Shivam would be in A tier because he rushes through the kills, and yeah, he keeps quiet until someone asks him what to do, and he has his reasons ready. So that's pretty good. And Dhruv should be, I don't know, like I don't know, man. Okay, so Dhruv should be somewhere over here. I don't know. Like, yeah, Dhruv yells a lot like Patel, so and he never gets his points through ever. But I don't know. Like he is really observant, and his hunches are mostly right. But that doesn't help him in when he's an imposter. So if it was a crewmate tier list, he might be high, he would definitely be higher actually. But as an imposter, he makes really stupid mistakes, like he fakes visual tasks. Oh shit. And and he's not good at lying as well. So and he tries to rush through the kills, and he knows when to kill or all that. So maybe he's a little bit better than Emu. So yeah, and if there was gamer in this, like Arjun was in this video, he would be in A tier definitely. Yeah, he would be better than Ayush, but worse than Shivam. So yeah, that's the video.